Let's review the difference between Meta Business Suite and a business manager. These are totally different things. Meta Business Suite is actually a tool which content managers can use in order to create content and track their performance. Meaning, if you are creating content for Instagram or Facebook, can be both at the same time or separately, Meta Business Suite is the software which you are going to use. It has a lot of different tools like Planner, for example. Planner allows you to post through the month. You can actually just schedule it through here by choosing the week you would like and clicking on schedule. Then there is a content tab where you can check the content that you posted, the insights, and inbox. Inbox allows you to receive all the messages from all the channels, from the Messenger, from Instagram, from Facebook comments and Instagram comments, and WhatsApp. It's a super helpful tool and it's super easy to use it. Now you can actually check your Facebook comments from this window and you can reply from here as well. You can see all the new comments are coming in. And the new addition to this program is WhatsApp messages. In order to receive those messages, you have to define your WhatsApp as a business WhatsApp. In addition to that, you have a monetization category. This category is a similar category to YouTube monetization. It only works for videos, and if you have a certain amount of followers and minutes watched, then you can actually monetize your videos. Please notice that you also have an ads category here inside Meta Business Suite. But I recommend you not to use it because it's a limited tool and it does not have all the targeting options and everything else. Another feature that is very useful is a Lead Generation Center. Let me show it to you. Lead Generation Center is actually a basic CRM program which allows you to track all of your leads. You can see where they came from. You can see the additional information about the leads, and you can even add notes to yourself and different reminders. Now, let's review Business Manager. Business Manager is used if you, first of all, have a lot of different ad accounts and ads running, and if you are working with the team or planning to work with the team. You can easily share access to any of your accounts or Facebook pages via Business Manager. You can also create different pixels for tracking and different events via Business Manager. You are using Business Manager to manage your advertising. It's not suitable for content creation.